works so hard, like when she's at school, when she's not at school. Like I remember a couple years ago I was working with her to do the maker camp, and like, yeah, she was working all the time.
I like how she inspires people to try new things and kind of go out of the comfort zone. She makes it so like we get like time like that we get to do like hands-on projects. Taking apart things and like making them into something new has really inspired me for life.
It's rewarding for me when kids come in and they say, I got a soldering iron for Christmas, you know, or I really want a Sphero, or they want a sewing machine and they want to learn and use these tools. All of a sudden they're speaking out and they're talking and they're engaged and they're going around helping all the other kids how to figure things out because they're excited that's something they're good at and they can do it. I think every kid needs to stand up on a stage and get a standing ovation and take a bow. And since I'm not in music anymore, this is one way they can take a bow. I'm just very honored, very humbled, that first of all to be nominated, and then secondly to have been chosen. It's just very, very humbling. Thank you, Kemin Industries and the Iowa Governor's STEM Advisory Council.